Hey everyone! Today we're comparing three very different CAD tools: Plasticity, FreeCAD, and SolidWorks. Each one shines in its own area, so let's break down what they offer and figure out which one might be right for you. Starting with Plasticity. This tool is aimed at designers and concept artists who need to model quickly and creatively. It uses NURBS-based modeling, so shapes are smooth and easy to manipulate. The interface is streamlined with clever gizmos and shortcuts, making it feel more like digital sculpting than traditional CAD. It's excellent for game assets, product concepts, or quick 3D prints. The trade-off? It lacks deep parametric features and engineering-grade precision. Pricing starts at about $175 for an indie license, making it a one-time affordable option for creatives. Next is FreeCAD. This one's completely free and open source. It's a parametric modeler, meaning you can go back and change dimensions or constraints whenever you want. It supports engineering design, architecture, and even BIM workflows, with tons of community-built workbenches. You also get Python scripting for automation and customization. On the downside, the interface isn't the most polished, and the learning curve is definitely steep. But if you're on a budget or love open-source flexibility, FreeCAD is a solid pick. Finally, we have SolidWorks. This is the heavyweight in professional CAD. It's widely used in mechanical engineering, product design, and manufacturing. SolidWorks handles complex assemblies, offers powerful parametric modeling, and includes advanced simulation tools like stress, motion, and thermal analysis. It's beginner-friendly compared to some pro tools, but the major drawback is cost. Licenses can run into the thousands of dollars per year. If you're working in industry or need professional-grade accuracy, SolidWorks is the gold standard. So here's the takeaway. Plasticity is best for fast artistic modeling and concept work. FreeCAD is best for free, flexible parametric design with lots of customization. SolidWorks is best for professional, precise engineering and manufacturing. Choose the one that matches your workflow and budget. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, drop a comment on which CAD tool you prefer, and subscribe for more comparisons.